Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust on console. Rust is a challenging survival game that you can enjoy on both PlayStation and Xbox. The console edition provides a comparable experience to its PC counterpart, focusing on gathering, crafting, and player versus player combat. To get started, you will need a reliable internet connection for online play and ensure your console's operating system is completely up to date. This ensures the best performance and access to all game features. Once you have Rust Console Edition downloaded from your console's digital store, the next step is to jump into a server. You will start with nothing, so your immediate priority is to gather basic resources such as wood and stone. These are crucial for crafting your first tools, like a stone hatchet and pickaxe. With these, you can quickly construct a small, one-by-one starter base to secure your initial loot and provide a safe respawn point. Survival in Rust requires constant attention to your character's hunger, thirst, and health. Always keep an eye on these meters to avoid an untimely demise. As you progress, explore the vast map to discover new biomes and monuments, which offer superior resources and loot. Use these to craft more powerful weapons and durable armor, significantly improving your chances in combat. Consider teaming up with one or two other players to form an alliance, allowing for larger base builds and shared defense. For advanced players, mastering the art of raiding other players' bases is key to acquiring high-tier loot. Simultaneously, fortify your own base with multiple layers of defenses to deter rival groups. Many servers host community events and challenges, offering unique rewards and a chance to test your skills. Dedicate time to practicing your aim and combat strategies. Superior gunplay can often turn the tide in intense player versus player engagements, helping you dominate the server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.